Kaya ang
BICAM.
isang hiningi namin sa Korte Suprema, ang BICAM dapat, under the Constitution, it should be transparent. So dapat i-hold yan sa House o sa Senate, huwag sa Manila Golf Club. Kasi mahal doon at hindi... Pangalawa, dapat makita siya ng publiko at ng
Yes,
media.
yes.
Pangatlo, dapat may transcript siya of record. Nobody, I'm
Is there no
challenging anybody.
transcript
No.
of the BICAM?
No.
Can't we hold the chairman accountable?
We
The
should.
chairman of the BICAM?
We should.
We should.
Nobody has seen a BICAM, Pinky. Lahat ng viewers mo ngayon, nobody has seen that. What is being done sa BICAM, pag meet nila sa Manila Golf Club, kung
Palagi bang Manila Golf?
palaging doon eh. But anyway, may press con yan. Oh, this is the BICAM. Click, click, click. Then media out. Mag-negotiate na yun for 1-2 weeks. Then press con, oh, we've agreed with the BICAM. Click, click, click. And that's it. I-present yan sa House at sa Senate. Ratification viva voce.